Hi, guys, and welcome back to another review by All About AI. And I'm Hassan, your host for today. We're going to be talking about Suno AI, which has been trending on the internet for quite some time. And I'm going to show you how you can make music for free within 15 minutes. So, if you've got the time, let's get started right away. First things first, you're going to pick a genre, and I picked genres that I was actually interested in or I've been listening to already so that I can make a good decision. And obviously, I want to impress you guys. But, there we go. Click on next. Now you're going to select a username. By the way, before all of this, you got to connect your Google account as well. All right. Now I've got my username selected, but apparently it's already taken, which is weird. And there we go. All right, real quick before we move further, you got to accept the terms of service of creating custom lyrics because you can't copy and paste lyrics that already exist due to copyright issues. That's pretty straightforward, right? So just click accept and move forward. Okay, so to generate lyrics, we have two models to choose from. One is the classic one and one is the advanced one. Um, as soon as you click generate with your prompt, which you can obviously create through ChatGPT or something else, you will receive two lyrics to choose from. And once you compare both of these lyrics, you got to choose one of these options to move forward with. So, better make sure that the lyrics align with something that you had planned out beforehand. And as you can see in my prompt, I asked for something feminine, but you're going to find out further on what it did wrong. Um, other than the lyrics, you gotta choose what type of music you want for your song. So again, I chose those genres that I agreed with. Besides this, you have another option to create personas, like a persona that all of your songs follow, but that is only in the premium version, and we're talking about how to use the free version in this video. So I have two options to choose from. Let's hear the first one.
I was five chasing butterflies in the sun. Dreams were simple, life was all
Not
about
quite
fun.
what I was
At
looking
10, I
forward
built
to.
castles with my hands in the sand.
This is more like a
Imagined a
jingle to an
kingdom
advert.
where I could
Thank
command.
God we have another option, of course. There we go. This is more like an Ed Sheeran
I
song, you
was
know?
five chasing butterflies in the sun. Dreams were
Wow.
simple, life was all about fun. At 10, I built castles with my
All right,
hands
so this
in
is
the
the problem.
sand.
I wrote feminine and I
Imagined
meant
a
female
kingdom where I
voice,
could command.
but I guess this is what feminine is.
Lifting it like a wave on.
All right, so when I moved into the editor, I found that you need a premium account to add more value to your songs. And the biggest problem is that you can't use the base plan or the free plan to generate commercial music. You need a premium account to share your videos across commercial purposes. All right, so as you can see, the user interface of the editor is pretty good, and you can extend your songs in the free version. All you need to do is click on extend and choose what part of the song you want to add into your timeline and which you actually like. So I'm actually over here looking for something that makes sense. I think I'm gonna add this into my song for sure. All right, so one other thing the free editor allows you to do is to set a fade at the end of the song. You know, the fade that you listen on the radio before the disc jockey actually switches to another song, which adds another ambient element to the song. So here's me fixing a fade with my less than non technical knowledge of music. I think this should do.
Happiness through the years,
Hmm,
through the laughter and the tears.
works. Well, just like our new generations, when you extend the song, we get two new generations that are marked as extend.
Dreams were simple,
So
life was all
let's
about
have her
fun.
listen.
At 10, I built castles with my hands in the sand. I
All right,
was five,
let's listen to the
chasing
second one.
butterflies in the sun.
I already
Dreams were
liked this
simple,
one better.
life was all about fun. At 10, I built castles with my hands in the sand. Imagined a kingdom where I
This is
could
very catchy.
command. 15 hit like a wave on the shore.
Ah, it didn't
I
nail the
was
drop,
five,
but all right,
chasing
sure.
butterflies in the sun. Dreams were simple, life was all about fun. At 10, I built castles with my hands in the sand. Imagined a kingdom where I could command.
This was
15
better.
hit like a wave on the shore.
I might add this to the
Heartbeats
original.
racing, always craving for more.
All right, in the beginning of the video, you saw the homepage of Suno AI, and as you can see, there are a lot of options for inspiration. I mean, the application itself gives you a lot of chances for inspiration, but if you're ever having that creative block, this homepage is beautiful. For example, listen to this. This is completely AI. This is so professional, isn't it?
Le long des quatre murs immenses d'un retrait.
Now, while most of us would prefer to use the ChatGPT method of generating songs, the Suno.ai has also given us these prompts to allow us to help us in generating lyrics that are more closer to home. So, as you can see, I'm filling in their prompts in those blanks, and I'm trying to remain as specific to what I was imagining. And I faced problems when I was selecting a genre, but that is why I went with only two. And as you can see, we have two more generations coming right up. All right, let's have a listen. So far, so good.
I'll celebrate you, the light that God shone through. A heart that won't rest, a heart that shines best. No more hiding, you can relax now. No more
Whoa, that's a little
fighting,
deep.
it's all in your past now. We won't let you down. We're your family. We will wear.
Well,
I'll
that's not the context
celebrate
that I was
you,
going for.
the light that God shone through. Rest, a
This
heart
one's
that
a little somber.
shines best. No more hiding. You can relax now.
There's the
No
uplift.
more fighting. It's all in your past now. We won't let you down. We're your family. We will wear your crown. We're your legacy. No more
We have some
hiding.
sense in the voice.
You can relax now.
Nice drop. All right.
No more.
I'm having so much fun that I'm going to give it one more go. We're going to use the custom and the advanced model to generate lyrics for another theme with a little advanced prompt. As you can see, this was generated by ChatGPT if you're wondering. All right. Um, are we going to go with the shorter phrases or the longer ones? Okay, we take the shorter ones. All right. The next step is to see whether I want to change anything in the lines of the chorus. I guess we'll work with this version. All right. Hell yeah. I already love it.
Standing by the graveside, memories in their eyes,
Remember
telling
some
me
some 41
you
back in the
did
day?
well. Look what you did. Oh, you did it for us. 'Cause I can see the other side of the
Whoa, I
tunnel.
like the really
The
like the
road is so
chorus.
long. There's no more.
But this is the version that I chose to share with the public. Check it out.
Standing by the graveside, memories in their eyes, telling me you did well. Look what you did, oh, you did it for us. 'Cause I can see the other side of the tunnel.
Yes.
The light's been on for so long. There's no more war, no more fight. I see.
First, you can share your creations across social media. All you gotta do is hit this button or share it from here.
Standing by the graveside,
We can either
memories in
embed
their
it with this
eyes,
embed code across your
telling
website,
me you
or you
did
could
well. Look what you did,
share across X, Facebook, LinkedIn,
you
Reddit, and
did it
email.
for.
And there you have it, guys. We're done with our Suno AI free
'Cause I can
review,
see the other
and it's time
side
for you
of
to
the
ask questions in the
tunnel.
comments below or
The
share
light's
your
been
creations.
on
I
for
would
so
really like to
long.
hear what
There's
you
no
guys came
more
up with.
war,
And
no
with
more
that, don't forget to
fight. I
like,
see
share, and
the
subscribe
light, I
to our
see the
channel.
light.
And we'll see you in the next video.
There's no more war, no more fight. I see the light, I see the light. And I see her for the first time, my baby in her prime. She says, Daddy, I miss you. She says, Daddy, you did well. Look what you did, oh, you did it for us. 'Cause I can see the